would you say that the remodel process could be different from a rental to a property that you're looking to flip, or do you spend the same amount of work on a rental versus a flip?
Yeah, it's a great question. I would say that, you know, think about the rental. You're not selling a property, right?
Uh-huh.
You're just renting it, right? Unless you're selling it. But if you're like getting a tenant out and getting a new tenant, you don't want to spend a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
You got to cash flow that property. You know, you have different quadrants, right? You have taxes, you have cash flow, you have a mortgage. So you want to cash flow that rental. If it's a flip, it depends, right? You're in a low-end neighborhood, like you're saying, like, you know, maybe if the market is hot, you can leverage, spend less money on the kitchen and the bathroom, right? Because there's more people that want it. But if there's less people that want it, then you might have to like give a little extra touch up just to get that sell faster. But we live in America, and I'm an immigrant. I'm from Argentina, so I you know, maybe if I would be American, I maybe wouldn't think about this that much. But we live in a beautiful country with great people. There's a great heart. There's a lot of it's an incredible country. I mean, in Argentina, it's, you know, it's a third world country, and there's a lot of poverty and you know, but we live in a great country with great opportunities. We can like leverage money, other people's money, OPM, right? You can literally buy a house in America with zero of your money. Tell me another country where you could do that. We have the most amount of millionaires in America, with 35% of all the millionaires in America only. So we got money, right? We got top technologies here that we can leverage. We have great people, great communities here. I mean, especially right now with Instagram, you know, Facebook, you know, all the groups, and there's so many things that you can create. So I feel we're in the perfect time, in the perfect, you know, moment, in the perfect place. With the only thing that is very important is the mindset. That is the only thing that it depends on you.
So I agree with that 100%, Joe. I agree. I think a lot of people put like mental barriers in their
We all do.
Yeah.
I do it all the time too.
Yeah, me too. Like essentially, some people say, well, I don't have the money, therefore I can't buy a property. But what you're talking about is that you can raise money, you can partner with people, you can do a lot of stuff even without money, as long as you have the right knowledge.
Especially without money. Yeah, absolutely. All of our training that we do to our students, I tell them, you have the money, don't use it. Utilize other people's money. Give your papa a 10, 12% return. Give your friends, I have people that lend me money I never met. Mm-hmm. Literally, they were friends of friends or people I did business with. And they were like, listen, I don't have to meet you. Just get my percentage. And you do that and everyone is happy, right? So mindset for sure, like you said, very important.